season. Talking about that season though. Say season. Talking about that season flow. Talk about season. Talking about that season though. Oh, I remember back up in the day, the people were looking at me. They talking about, do you put that season on your food before me? That if you cook your food today with no season on it, people not gonna like or what you gonna cook when you gonna do cook on it. Talk about season. Talk about we like that season though. Let's go. Say season. Got that little season flow. Said I went over there the one time and I didn't have nothing there. They threw our season out of the house and said, yo, we're not there. So when I come over there now, I'm trying to go and cook. But then I know the season for the food, so then just make me sure. Say season. Talking about that season flow. Let's go. Say season. Talking about that season flow. Say if you got the season in your house, make sure you got it. Make sure that you can put the right kind so we can go on it. Just put it on your food and every time you can put it on your greens. Even put it on your meat if you know just what I mean. Talking about season. Talking about that season flow. Let's go. Say season. Talking about that season flow. Say I know that I'm doing everything I want to go and eat. So when I want to feed my stomach, oh yes, we in these streets. We going to the place that we know they got good on food. They better put the season on it before I act a fool. Say season. Coming with all that season flow. Let's go. Say season. Do you know that season flow? Say if you in the chat right now, what kind of season you like? People's over here right now, we doing it every night. Some people talking about they only put that black pepper and salt. There's not enough season over here for me just so I can walk. I want that season, how to taste. That taste that's good for me. And also good for everyone that's in a family. The lounge that you sharing out, the stuff that you will cook. As long as it tastes good with the seasoning and I get on hook. Talking about seasoning. Talking about that season flow. Let's go. Say seasoning. Talking about that season flow. That seasoning. Talking about that season flow. Talking about seasoning. Talking about that good season flow. Say now that I'm feeling so good when I got this on my chest. There are people talking about the man over there with no seasoning with rest. But I'm over here to talk about you. Oh yes, I like it too. As awesome on the season over there so we can eat on too. Got 2 and 3 to maybe, oh 4 maybe it's getting to 5. But still I'm over here to that season make me feel alive. So now that I'm alive right now just eating all your food. Cause the season making me to feel good, cause that is what I do. Talk about season. Talk about that good season flow. That season. Talking about that season flow. Saying that season. Talking about that season flow. Talking about season. Talking about that season flow. Just make sure that you got that season down. So people can see that you do care. Then they have their hands up in the air. Because they want some more that's over there. So make sure you do get your season too. Vegetarian season need on too. Everybody, do you like it now? Season on your food, how it goes.